Welcome to my channel. Okay, convert natin tong fraction to decimal, then from decimal to percent. Pag decimal, of course, it involves decimal point or dot. Si percent naman, always indicate symbol na ito, the percent symbol. Okay, let's start with the first. Remember, this is numerator and this is the denominator. Numerator, denominator. The numerator, denominator. Numerator, denominator, but a whole number. By the way, this one is a proper fraction, another proper fraction, but not yet reduced to lowest term. This is improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. And this one is a mixed number because it is composed of a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay. Focus tayo sa mga denominator. Okay, mga denominator. Put 100, then divide by the denominator, which is 5, equals 20 times 3 equals 60. Then 60, lagyan ng point yan, then i-transfer dito sa decimal portion. Then you convert that sa percent by moving 2 times to the right. 1, 2. So we have 60%. Next, another 100 divided by 20. We have 5. Then 5 times 4 is 20. Okay? Bigyan ng dot. Then ilagay dito sa portion na to. Point 20. Then 2 times to the right. 1, 2. 20%. By the way, bago ako mag-proceed, i-observe lang ninyo na we have 2 digits here after the dot, after the decimal point. 1, 2. Okay? Then 1, 2. Next, sa denominator na naman, 100 divided by 10 equals 10. Then 10 times 17, we have 170. Okay, remember 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is also 1, 2, meaning ang decimal point before dyan. So 1.70. Okay? Then move twice to the right. 1, 2. That now becomes 170%. Okay, dito naman tayo sa mixed number. I-convert muna natin ito sa improper fraction. Katulad ng second to the last na problem, ito ay improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. So, ganun ang gagawin natin sa last na problem. So, 25 times 1 is 25. Plus 2. We have 27 over 25. Then, saka natin i-divide yung 100 by 25. Okay, 100 divided by 25 is 4. Okay, 4. Then 4 times 7, the 8 is 108. Okay? Remember, dalawang digits tayo focus. Itong 0 and 8, kasi dito natin ilalagay yung dot after ng 1. So, 108. So, of course, kung i-convert natin yan, 2 times 1, 2. So, that now becomes 108%. Sana naintindihan nyo yung explanation ko. If you have some suggestions or pwede nyo i-request na isi-solve ko, mag-comment lang po kayo below. Thank you.